Ultamize. One of the fastest ways to improve your mood, energy, sleep, relationships, and even motivation is surprisingly simple. Schedule one genuinely enjoyable physical activity with other people every weekend before you schedule anything else. No, not punishment exercise, something you actually look forward to. For me, that's often competitive pickleball on Saturday and Sunday mornings. And what's fascinating is this: the people who consistently build movement, recreation, sports, hiking, tennis, cycling, walking groups, dance classes, or playful competition into their weekends often don't merely feel healthier, they feel more alive. Meanwhile, millions of people spend most weekends sitting, scrolling, streaming, running errands, half working, and wondering why they still feel mentally exhausted by Sunday night, despite technically having time off. That's what this series is about: how to stop accidentally designing weekends that drain your energy instead of restoring it. We're going to talk about doom scrolling, Sunday anxiety, adult loneliness, joyful movement, sports and recreation, attention fragmentation, passive leisure, and why modern adults often structure their free time around low energy screen consumption instead of experiences that actually create happiness, anticipation, recovery, and connection. Because personal development is not just about becoming more productive, it's also about learning how to enjoy your actual life more deeply. You're now entering the Weekend Reset, produced by Ultamize, the world's largest personal development podcast, audiobook, and online learning network. I'm your host, TJ Walker.